5 seconds. Virendra Singh 2015 04 23 9 23 CP number 165 of 2014. I attached to the accuracy and integrity of this document Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh. Main objects of the petitioner, transferor company and the transferee company are detailed in their respective memorandum and articles of association annexed with the first motion petition. Wide order dated 7/8/2014, the prayer to dispense with convening of the meetings of the secured and unsecured creditors was allowed by this court considering the fact that the petitioner transferor company has 18 secured creditors, out of which 16 constituting 93.39% in value had given their consent, no objection to the scheme. Out of 7428 unsecured creditors, 65 constituting 88.79% in value had also given no objection and consent to the scheme. Mr. Harkesh Manuja and M.S. Punita Shetty, advocates, were appointed as chairman and co-chairperson respectively to convene the meeting of the equity shareholders of the transferor company. In the report dated 26/9/2014, it has been stated that on 19/9/2014 the meeting was attended either personally or through proxy authorized representatives by 236 equity shareholders of the petitioner transferor company holding 28,57,64,027 shares of 5 each, values of shares being 1, 42, 88, 20, 135. Total 203 ballots involving 28, 56, 77, 507 votes having value of 1, 42, 83, 87, 535 were cast as found from the ballot box opened after polling. There were 30 members present personally. Out of the 236 shareholders, 33 abstained from voting. After polling, it was found that in all 203 ballots were polled, out of which 195 were found to be valid and 8 were found to be invalid. The invalid ballot papers, 8 in numbers, were pertaining to 48,184 shares having value of 240,920 out of 203 equity shareholders present and voting. 190 voted Virendra Singh 2015 for 23/9/23 CP number 165 of 2014. I attached to the accuracy and integrity of this document Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh in favor of the scheme of arrangement representing value of 1423791,500,99.6951% of the total value of equity shareholders of those present and voted validly 5 equity shareholders voted against the scheme of arrangement, representing a value of 4355150.3049% of the value of those present and voted validly. The summary as reproduced in the report is extracted below. Wide CA numbers 963, 964 of 2014 and CA number 64 of 2015. Two objections have been filed which are being dealt with first before dealing with the case of the petitioners on merit. Varinder Singh 2015 04 23 9 23 CP number 165 of 2014. I attach to the accuracy and integrity of this document. Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh objections filed against acceptance of scheme of arrangement 390020 Gujarat, India. Undertaking shall mean the entire business and the whole of the undertakings of the transferor company as a going concern, all its assets, right, licenses and powers, and all its debits, outstanding liability, duties, obligations, and employ as on the appointed date, including but not limited to the following: all the assets and properties, whether movable or immovable, tangible or intangible, real or personal, in possession or reversion, corporeal or incorporeal, present, future or contingent, of the transferor company, whether situated in India or abroad, including but not limited to manufacturing facilities, laboratories, land, whether leasehold or freehold, processing plants, plant and machinery, computers, equipment, buildings and structures, office, residential and other premises, diesel generator, set stocks in trade, packing material, raw materials, formulations, tablet, capsules, vials, ointments, active pharmaceutical ingredients and drugs, intermediaries, capital, work in progress, sundry, debaters, furniture, fixtures, interiors, office equipment, vehicles, appliances, accessories, power lines, depots, deposits, all stocks, stocks of fuel, asset, investments of all kind, including shares, scripts, subsidiaries, stocks, bound, debenture, stocks, unit or pass-through certificates, including shares or other securities held by the transferor company in its subsidiaries, cash balances or deposits with bank, check on hand, loans, advances, right or benefit books.